Today, let's talk about how artificial intelligence is changing financial trading. Have you noticed how fast things are evolving?
Absolutely. It's almost like the trading floor has turned into a sci-fi movie set. Algorithms are making decisions in milliseconds now.
Yeah, and it's not just speed. AI can process massive data sets that humans could never handle. That's a huge advantage.
For sure. But I wonder, does relying so much on AI create new risks? Like, what happens if everyone uses similar algorithms?
That's a good point. We've seen cases where quick automatic decisions triggered massive market swings. Remember the flash crash in 2010?
Oh, definitely. That's when algorithms started selling off at lightning speed, right? It's a bit scary to think about how fragile the system can be.
It is. But on the flip side, AI also helps spot fraud and unusual trading patterns, making markets safer in some ways.
True. And it can help regular investors too. Robo-advisors use AI to build portfolios, which means you don't need a Wall Street guru to get started.
I like that. Investing feels less intimidating when you have an algorithm guiding you. But do you think AI will replace human traders completely?
I doubt it. Human intuition still matters, especially during unpredictable events. AI is smart, but it can't read breaking news or market sentiment the way people can.
Exactly. Plus, humans set the rules for these algorithms. It's not like AI is working in a vacuum.
Right. And sometimes creative strategies come from thinking outside the box, which AI isn't great at least not yet.
That's reassuring, but I do wonder about job losses. Will AI cost people their careers in finance?
It's possible, but I think it'll also create new roles. Someone needs to design, monitor, and improve these systems.
Good point. Maybe the future of finance is more about managing algorithms than making trades by hand.
And ethics plays a role too. Who's responsible if an AI makes a bad call and causes losses?
That's a tough question. Regulators are still figuring it out. There's a balance between innovation and accountability.
I guess the key is transparency. If we understand how decisions are made, we can trust the system more.
Agreed. Maybe financial literacy will need to include basics of algorithmic trading soon.
Imagine teaching your grandma about neural networks. Now that's a family dinner I want to see.
I'd pay to watch that. But jokes aside, AI in trading isn't going away. It's here to stay, for better or worse.
So, are we heading for a future where machines rule Wall Street? Or is there still room for human insight?
That's the big question. Maybe the answer is a partnership. Machines for speed, humans for strategy.
Sounds like the best of both worlds. What do you think, listeners? Would you trust an AI with your investments?